Hey everyone, welcome back. If your browser feels slow on your PC, like pages taking forever to load, tabs freezing, or videos lagging, yeah, that can be really annoying. But don't worry, in this full guide I'll show you how to speed up browser internet step by step in 2026. First, restart your browser and your PC. This clears temporary cache glitches and can improve loading speed instantly. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, stored data can slow down page loading. Now, disable extensions you don't use. Some extensions run in the background and slow down your browser. Make sure your browser is updated. Updates often include performance improvements and speed fixes. Next, change your DNS to something faster like Google DNS or Cloudflare. This can improve how quickly websites load. Close unused tabs. Too many open tabs can slow your browser and use up memory and bandwidth. Sometimes hardware acceleration causes lag. Try turning it off or on to see which performs better on your system. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off for testing. Yeah, they can slow down browser speed sometimes. Run a malware scan. Hidden malware can slow down your browser by using your internet in the background. Finally, run a speed test. If your internet itself is slow, no browser setting can fully fix it. And that's it. Follow these steps and your browser should feel much faster and smoother on your PC.